Heavy rainstorms are a familiar part of life in Austin, often arriving suddenly and lasting for hours. During these storms, your windows play a critical role in protecting your home from water intrusion while still supporting indoor comfort. Awning windows are uniquely designed to handle wet weather, making them a smart choice for homeowners who want reliable protection without sacrificing ventilation. For Austin homes, awning windows offer practical advantages during heavy rainfall. Designed to deflect rainwater, awning windows are hinged at the top and open outward from the bottom. When opened, the glass panel creates a canopy-like shape that naturally directs rain away from the window opening. In Austin homes, this design allows homeowners to keep windows partially open during light to moderate rain without worrying about water entering the interior. Even during heavier storms, closed awning windows provide strong resistance against wind-driven rain. Providing a tight seal when closed. One of the most important protective features of awning windows is how tightly they seal when closed. The window sash presses firmly against the frame, creating a weather-resistant barrier. For Austin homeowners, this tight seal helps prevent water infiltration during heavy rainstorms and reduces the risk of moisture-related damage around window frames. Reducing the risk of water leaks. Improperly sealed or outdated windows are common sources of leaks during storms. Awning windows are designed with fewer gaps and strong sealing points, which helps minimize weak spots. In Austin homes, this design reduces the likelihood of water seeping inside during prolonged or intense rainfall. Supporting ventilation without compromising protection during storms. Indoor air can become stale when windows remain closed for extended periods. Awning windows offer the unique ability to provide ventilation while still protecting against rain. For Austin homeowners, this means fresh air can circulate during rainy weather without compromising the home's interior. Preventing moisture buildup indoors. Heavy rain often brings increased humidity. When homes are sealed tightly with no ventilation, moisture can build up indoors, leading to discomfort. Awning windows help Austin homes manage indoor humidity by allowing controlled airflow during rainy conditions, supporting a healthier indoor environment. Ideal for high-risk areas of the home. Awning windows are commonly installed in areas prone to moisture exposure, such as kitchens, bathrooms, and basements. Their design makes them well-suited for spaces where water protection is especially important. In Austin homes, placing awning windows in these areas adds an extra layer of defense during rainstorms. Strong performance against wind-driven rain. Rainstorms in Austin can be accompanied by gusty winds that push water against windows. Awning windows are designed to resist wind-driven rain when closed, helping protect the interior. For homeowners, this means added confidence during severe weather events. Durability in repeated storm conditions. Awning windows are built with durable materials that withstand repeated exposure to rain and moisture. High-quality construction helps maintain performance over time. In Austin homes, this durability ensures awning windows continue to protect against heavy rain season after season. Professional installation maximizes protection. To perform effectively during rainstorms, awning windows must be installed correctly. Proper flashing, sealing, and alignment are essential. Professional installation ensures awning windows in Austin homes provide maximum protection against water intrusion and long-term reliability. A smart choice for rain-ready Austin homes. Awning windows offer dependable protection during heavy rainstorms by deflecting water, sealing tightly, and supporting controlled ventilation. Their thoughtful design helps Austin homeowners safeguard their interiors while maintaining comfort. For homes that experience frequent rain, awning windows provide a reliable and practical solution for weather protection and peace of mind.